Hi, I'm James.
Hi, I'm Emily.
Paint.
Can you paint?
Yes, I can.
She can paint.
Paint.
Can you paint?
No, I can't.
He can't paint.
He can't paint.
Ride a bike.
Ride a bike.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
She can ride a bike.
She can ride a bike.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
He can ride a bike.
He can ride a bike.
Play football.
Play football.
Can you play football?
No, I can't.
She can't play football.
She can't play football.
Can you play football?
Yes, I can.
He can play football.
He can play football.
Play the guitar.
Can you play the guitar?
No, I can't.
She can't play the guitar.
She can't play the guitar.
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, I can.
He can play the guitar.
He can play the guitar.
Drive a car.
Drive a car.
Can you drive a car?
No, I can't.
She can't drive a car.
She can't drive a car.
Can you drive a car?
No, I can't.
He can't drive a car.
He can't drive a car.
Play tennis.
Play tennis.
Can you play tennis?
Yes, I can.
She can play tennis.
She can play tennis.
Can you play tennis?
Yes, I can.
He can play tennis.
He can play tennis.
Dance.
Dance.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can.
She can dance.
She can dance.
Can you dance?
No, I can't.
He can't dance.
He can't dance.
Ride a camel.
Ride a camel.
Can you ride a camel?
No, I can't.
She can't ride a camel.
She can't ride a camel.
Can you ride a camel?
No, I can't.
He can't ride a camel.
No, he can't ride a camel.
Play the piano.
Can you play the piano?
Yes, I can.
She can play the piano.
She can play the piano.
Can you play the piano?
No, I can't.
He can't play the piano.
He can't play the piano.
Ride a motorbike.
Ride a motorbike.
Can you ride a motorbike?
No, I can't.
She can't ride a motorbike.
She can't ride a motorbike.
Can you ride a motorbike?
No, I can't.
He can't ride a motorbike.
He can't ride a motorbike.
Cook spaghetti.
Cook spaghetti.
Can you cook spaghetti?
Yes, I can.
She can cook spaghetti.
She can cook spaghetti. Yay!
Can you cook spaghetti?
No, I can't.
He can't cook spaghetti.
He can't cook spaghetti.
Jump high.
Jump high.
Can you jump high?
No, I can't.
She can't jump high.
She can't jump high.
Can you jump high?
Yes, I can.
He can jump high.
He can jump high.
Swim.
Swim.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
She can swim.
She can swim.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
He can swim.
He can swim.
Do surfing.
Can you do surfing?
No, I can't.
She can't do surfing.
She can't do surfing.
Can you do surfing?
No, I can't.
He can't do surfing.
He can't do surfing.
Speak English.
Speak English.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
She can speak English.
She can speak English.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
He can speak English.
He can speak English.
Fly.
Fly.
Can you fly?
No, I can't.
She can't fly.
She can't fly.
Can you fly?
No, I can't.
He can't fly.
He can't fly.
Sing a song.
Sing a song.
Can you sing a song?
Yes, I can.
She can sing a song.
He can sing a song.
Can you sing a song?
No, I can't.
He can't sing a song.
He can't sing a song.
Run fast.
Run fast.
Can you run fast?
No, I can't.
She can't run fast.
She can't run fast.
Can you run fast?
Yes, I can.
He can run fast.
He can run fast.
Play computer games.
Play computer games.
Can you play computer games?
Yes, I can.
She can play computer games.
He can play computer games.
Can you play computer games?
Yes, I can.
He can play computer games.
He can play computer games.